Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So you guys, guess what? I have a mystery box and it is from Plouise, okay? Like, this is a big deal today. So Plouise has done mystery boxes before and that part is not new. However, I've never been able to purchase one before. It used to be that you had to live in the UK in order to purchase one of her mystery boxes. But this last round actually opened it up and anyone in the US can actually order one of the mystery boxes now. So I was so excited, you guys. I got the email and I thought, oh, this isn't gonna work. I clicked on it and it said, sure, add to cart. And then it's like, is this your address? And I was like, yeah. And then it's like, okay, here's your total. Do you want to check out? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, seriously, I was shocked that it even worked. And I finally have my mystery box in. So this is my mystery box today. And if you're not familiar with Plouise, this is a cosmetic company that also makes a subscription box. The mystery boxes are supposed to be a variety of products from their website. And according to the posting, it says it can be anything and everything on the website. So anything is up for grabs for this box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a mystery bundle from Plouise, I will have a link listed down below for you guys. I purchased 2 mystery boxes because I just wanted to see, are we all gonna get the same thing? Are they gonna be different? And it did say on the website that if you purchase more than one, they will ship all of the products in one box. So that is what I have here. It's supposed to be 2 mystery boxes worth of products, but it is all in one shipping box. That doesn't really bother me. I'm fine with that. And I knew ahead of time, so that was okay. Now it says online on the website that they are $39 to purchase. And it says that you will receive 60 pounds worth of Plouise products and merch. Now, pounds being the currency, not the weight for these boxes. It does say that you can have anything and everything from the website. Everything is up for grabs. There can be brows, lips, face products. It's all a mystery. They did mention that not everyone will receive the same amount of products as the prices will vary, but you're still guaranteed that 60 pounds worth of items in here. So again, true mystery. We're just gonna see what happens today. First item inside of my mystery box is going to be one of the liquid blushes. This is the Flirty Flush of Color, and we have the shade Legally Pink. It is a full-size product here. So I've used her liquid blushes already. I do feel like they blend out really well, but they are very pigmented, which I've kind of noticed that with all liquid blushes, they are really strong pigments. But it's a gorgeous baby pink and they blend out so beautifully. I feel like this is perfect for cool tone skin as well. It's just like the right shade of pink. I'm honestly happy that I got this. I will definitely use this. I just feel like it lasts forever. I'm still working on the other ones that I had from like my boxes last year. So I do like it, but it's just, I mean, that's enough product for a year there. Next item in my mystery box is from her skincare line. This is the Rain On Me Water Spray. So this is the Orange Ocean, or Ocean Orange, excuse me. And this is a full-size product. Now, I got this already in something. What did I get this in? Was it the budget box? It could have been in the subscription box, or maybe it was in the advent calendar. But I have received this, I know already. So this is a water spray, and it's a little bit different than a setting spray. The water sprays are designed to give you the hydration back to your skin. So it can also be like a cooling pick-me-up. Like if you get too much sun in a day, you can spritz it on. It will give you hydration, but it'll also feel really nice and cool. But a setting spray is designed to really lock in your makeup, and that's not what this is. So just keep that in mind when you receive this, or if you get it in your mystery box, that it is a little bit different than a setting spray. But I still feel like they're nice. I have not used this a whole lot yet, only because I haven't really felt like I've needed it. I do think come this summer when it's actually really hot out and the sun is a lot more intense, I will use this product. But right now it's like I have it in my cupboard and it's just kind of sitting there and I'm waiting on it. It's a good scent though. I mean, you've got this gorgeous orange scent, so it's very citrus, so I like that a lot as well. And it is a really nice fine mist, so I think it goes on and applies evenly too. So it's good. I'm not as excited with it only because I already have one, but it's still good. Oh, we got our lip kit. So this is my next item inside of the mystery box. This is the Energy Juice Lip Kit. So it's called Keep It Peachy. And we also have Peach Please. So I'll open this up so that way you guys can see it, but you're always going to receive 2 products inside of this box. It looks like this cute juice box. And she makes these in a lot of different scents and flavors. I have a couple of them. I have one that's a chocolate one. And then we also got in the advent, it was like a spiced one, which is my favorite, you guys. Oh, it's so good. So this one is the peach scent. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this. I love peach scent anything. So I have a feeling this will be my new summer jam. So you're gonna receive 2 products inside of this box. The first one is the Stay Shining, and it is the Super Hydrating Formula. This is essentially going to be your gloss, and the shade is called Peach Please. And I think you can only buy these in the kit like this, so you can't buy it individually. So this is what it will look like here. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope it's a juicy peach scent. Oh, it is. It is sweet and peachy and just, oh, it smells good. It smells like a Georgia peach. It really does. So here's what your gloss will look like. Now, I do think these glosses give you great shine and they stay on for quite a while. I just feel like the shine lasts. I do feel like her formulas are a little bit thick. Sometimes it's a little too thick for my lips, but they do give you a gorgeous shine. And they smell fantastic, so that's also a plus. The other item inside of that kit will be the lip conditioner. So this conditioner is going to give you the hydration back to your lips. It will make them soft, and it's also going to prevent any dry or cracked lips as well. It's basically your lip balm, but it's going to have the same peach scent. Now, the other thing that I love with this is it does come with a keychain on it. So these can be added on to anything, your purse, your backpack, you can put it on a key ring. That way you've always got your lip balm with you. Now, out of all of the scents that I have tried, this one is honestly my favorite, you guys. And I say this because the chocolate scent makes me want to eat it. Like when I put it on, I just want to like eat my lips. I know that sounds so weird, but the chocolate is just too good. It's almost too good of a scent. So I like it, but that's my issue. The spiced one is definitely a winter scent. So right now I'm kind of coming out of winter and I'm like, oh, I don't really want cinnamon right now or apple cider. So peach is just putting me in the mood for summer that I'm like, yeah, this smells the best right now. Last item inside of our mystery box is the palette. This is the Shut Up and Kiss Me palette. It is a lipstick palette. I'm excited. So this was in a budget box last year, so I am familiar with this palette already. But I do think it's great that there's a palette inside of the mystery box. So inside there is a mirror, and then you have several different lipstick shades. They're all a cream formula, and then you actually get these cute little kisses up here on the mirror. There's a note that says, I haven't got much time to talk when my palette is looking this perfected. Gotta make sure I don't kiss too quick or you'll become addicted. So here's what your lipstick palette will look like. It's very neutral, very subtle. There are a couple of pink and red shades, but I felt like this was designed for all skin tones. So there's lots of range in here, which I think is really nice because, you know, it works for everybody then. I do feel like this palette made my $39 mystery box worth it, but I'm already so pleased with the lip set as well. Honestly, everything in here has been really good. So that is everything inside of my first mystery box. Now we're gonna look at my next set of items. So the next item that I have is another liquid blush, and this is in the Legally Pink shade. Wait a second. It's the same item. So I have 2 of the same liquid blushes in here. Okay, I thought maybe I'd get at least a different shade. So that's the same item. I also have another one of the Rain On Me Skin. It's the same one again. This is the same ocean spray, water spray that we had in here. Oh my gosh. I think these are all the same. I have another lip kit. Yes, peach. So this is the same peach lip kit. And then there's a palette, and it's the same lipstick palette as well. So they're all the same, you guys. So I did place 2 orders for the mystery box and got all the identical items in it. So if you're looking at getting a mystery box from Plouise, I know it says anything and everything on the website, but for it to be the same items completely, I would recommend you only buy one of the mystery boxes. Otherwise, you're probably just going to get duplicates. I mean, maybe you want duplicates of these. Maybe you'd like to have a lot of the same items. But if not, I would go with just 1 order of this mystery box. So that is everything inside of our Plouise mystery box. My first ever one from Plouise. I think this was worth it. I do think these are leftover products. In my opinion, these look like products that didn't sell well or are leftover because they're all items that I have tried out, with the exception of the peach, but I've tried out that lip set before. But they're all from the budget box a year ago, so I have had these already. But I don't think it's a bad value. I still think it's a great price point. You're still getting full-size products. I do think it's the thrill of getting a mystery box as well, so I'm okay with that. I think it's not a big deal. I wish we wouldn't have had duplicates. It would have been so nice to actually have a mixture of products from the website, but it's okay. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the mystery box from Plouise. Are you going to be ordering one? And if you did, what did you guys get? Did you get the same thing as me? Now, I'd be curious to know, honestly, if they're all shipping out the same or not. In a weird way, I kind of want to do it again. I know, isn't that terrible? Like, I already know I'm probably going to get the same items, but I also want to know, like, are they actually sending anything and everything from the website? I know that's what they're saying, but this kind of makes me think they aren't. But anyways, let me know if you guys order one. If you do, comment down below and just tell me what items you receive, because yeah, I would be curious to know if they're actually mixing these up or not. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!